He's making awful hard out, standing in the parking lot. He's getting bored of pressing out and showing it to me leaning on. Falls asleep standing up because it's best too far from him. Getting more depressed with the lack of a relationship. Girls don't really like him, or at least that's how it seems. Stands hands in pockets trying not to make a scene. Lies wide awake in the wake of a storm, screaming to himself, this is my war. Heavy eyelids went in with their own thoughts. Yeah, sleep is lingering, and it doesn't ever stop, cause he stayed up all night again, trying to be a poet. The words that he forges for this girl don't ever show it. Line out the verses trying to keep himself awake. Another rhyme on paper written in another place. This time he closes his eyes and he smiles. This time he's going that last mile. Solo. That's it.